Doesn't Drake say that? Top 5, top 5, top 5, top 5. All right, 5,000, here we come. Woo! Hey guys, it is Brandy Chanell, and I am here with my top 5 natural must-haves. First off, it was really hard to drill it down to just 5 because I feel like there's at least 10 items that you should have in your healthy hair care regimen. But we'll save the other 5 for another video. So be sure to stay tuned to the very end of this video for a special surprise. And let's get into it. First things first, you need a good moisturizing shampoo. Typically, I would lean more towards a sulfate-free shampoo because that tends to be less drying, more moisturizing. But when I thought about all the products that I've tried over the 8-ish years that I've been transitioning to natural and finally natural, the Elastic QP Cream Conditioning Shampoo has stole the show. This shampoo does have sulfates in it, but I don't find it to be drying. Add a little oil. Sometimes I'll open it up, put a little olive oil in it, shake it up, add that extra oil too. It's like a dream. It has like a slight banana smell to me. It's not overpowering, but yes, this is, if anyone asks me, this is what I send them to. It is $3.99 and worth $13.99. So where you can purchase it on Amazon. It is a little more expensive on Amazon, just so you know. Next up, in every hair care regimen, I don't care if you have straight hair, I don't care if you have curly to the kinkiest kinky hair, or anything in between, you definitely need to deep condition your hair on a weekly basis. So my favorite, all-time favorite so far that I keep going back to is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Marufa Oil Intensive Hydrating Hair Mask. This right here, I will leave a link to a video of my top 2 deep conditioners. There's another one that I like as well, but this one you can find in most of all Targets, Walmarts. You can just pick it up, it's on the ground. And I will also leave a link to this from Amazon, but I would suggest picking it up at your Target or Walmart because it's closer to you. You don't have to worry about shipping. But this stuff is a game changer. Game changer. And along with a deep conditioner, you definitely need to let the deep conditioner sit on your hair and penetrate for at least, at minimum, I would say 15 minutes, but I like to go 30 minutes to an hour. Scientifically, does that make a difference? I don't know, but I've seen results for my hair from doing that. So I like to use either a grocery store bag, you know, the plastic bags they give you at the grocery store, repurpose those, reduce, reuse, recycle, okay? Or I pick up the Annie, or any kind of brand, but the ones particularly at my beauty supply store is Annie. They're the processing caps, and because I have so much hair, I get the extra large. Now my alternate oil is olive oil for my finer hair ladies, but I still think Jamaican black castor oil works as well if you have fine hair. But any kind of Jamaican black castor oil or any kind of castor oil in general, I've used the castor oil that you can ingest from the pharmacy section, okay? And that works, in my opinion, works just as well, and it's dual purpose. This is not ingestible. Jamaican black castor oil is not ingestible, or food grade would probably be the best word. But this stuff really is awesome for pre-poos. It's awesome to add to shampoos. It's awesome to put on your elbows. It's put on them toes, your nose, whatever is crackly and dry and brittle. This brings it back to life. Highly recommend Jamaican black castor oil. And last but not least, baby girls and baby boys, I highly recommend for anyone transitioning to natural or currently natural, if you don't like to use combs, because I can only use a wide tooth comb after I've detangled. Like, a wide tooth comb does not detangle my hair. I need like a deep detangling. Every detangling session never fails. So I have my little buddy here. This is the curved handle detangler. It sounds, can you hear that? It sounds like that one is raking through your hair, but it's not damaging. Really good for clumping my curls together, the little curls that I have. It clumps them together, and I think if I could do wash and goes, this would be the product to use to help kind of rake through instead of a Denman brush, because my hair does not like the Denman brush. So this works amazing. I wanted to thank you all so much for watching, and the reason why I did 5, that would be 10. The reason why I did 5 is because I want to reach 5,000 subscribers hopefully within the next couple of months. I only have a couple thousand left. So what I'm going to do for you guys is my appreciation. I'm going to give you guys one lucky winner will receive all of these items to your mailbox or to wherever you want me to ship them to. I will do a YouTube live video to announce the winner once we hit 5,000, and to add an extra bonus on top of that, once we hit 10,000, which is what I want to get by the end of the year, we will do another huge giveaway. I haven't decided what items I want to do for the 10,000, but we'll talk about that later. Let's hit 5,000 first. All right, guys, I want to thank you guys again so much for watching this video. I'll leave the rules to this contest in the description below. So check out the rules and make sure you follow them. You subscribe to this channel and make sure that you hit that notification button beside the subscription button so you don't miss any new videos. All right, well, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Thanks so much for joining me. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. But show y'all, these are freaking amazing. Kiss y'all did that.